fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. For my supporters, welcome back once again, and thank you for supporting your baby girl. For the new subscribers, you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. For those that you see this channel, you are welcome to Temi Best World Family. Yeah, so in this channel I post 2 times a week. I post on Tuesday and on Friday. Hope you enjoy what you're seeing here. Yeah. So I'm going to drop this egusi recipe for you guys to watch. You can cook it for your family. We are in weekend, right? And weekend is for cooking. Yeah. All right, guys. Let me leave, and I'll be dropping some written on the screen so that you guys can understand what I'm doing here. Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Bye and happy weekend. Stay cool.
It's Big V the